Ramadan 2025 is almost here. Are you ready to transform your life and maximize this blessing of this holy month? Stay with me as I share the ultimate guide to being fully prepared, both spiritually and practically.
احسب أن الدين بعيد عن حب وحياة وبهجرك للدين ستحيا تعشق ما.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab, but you can call me Z for short. Welcome back to my channel where we share tips on self-care, self-love, self-improvement, and the Muslimah lifestyle while staying connected to Allah. In today's video, I will be sharing a complete guide on how to be prepared and ready for Ramadan 2025. Whether you are looking to strengthen your spirituality, adjust your daily routine, or set up your home for this blessed month, this guide is for you. And the guide will be in section. The section 1 of this guide is the spiritual preparation. You need to increase your Quran engagement. Begin reading a portion of the Quran daily so that whether it is a few verses of the page, make it a habit that leads you into a deeper connection with Allah. And you need to re-establish your prayer routine. Evaluate your current salah. If you are falling behind, now it is the time to commit to consistency. Consider adding extra acts of worship such as tahajjud or dua. Also, set your spiritual goals. Write down what you want to achieve spiritually this Ramadan, be it forgiveness, gratitude, or increased remembrance of Allah. Listen to inspiring lectures or recitation that remind you of the virtues of this month. Section 2 is the physical and mental preparation. Adjust your sleeping schedule. Gradually shift your sleep pattern to align with Sahur and Tarawih times. Start going to bed early each night. Meal planning and nutrition. Plan your sahur and iftar menu that are nutritious and sustaining. Begin incorporating more whole foods, fruits, and vegetables into your diets while reducing processed items. Increase your water intake and plan for light exercises to boost your energy levels during fasting. You also engage in activities like journaling, meditation, or even a short walk to reduce stress and prepare your mind for Ramadan's reflective atmosphere. The section 3 is the home and family organization. A clean, organized home set a peaceful tone. Take some time to declutter and prepare your environment for this month. Create a Ramadan schedule. Plan out prayer times, Quran reading, meals, and family activities. Having a structured schedule can reduce stress and help you stay on track. You can also consider preparing some meals in advance or planning a weekly menu that meets your nutritional needs during fasting. Family engagement is also important. Involve your family in planning. Share your goals and work together on activities like communal prayers or charity projects. And the section 4 is the digital detox and prioritizing your time. You have to clean your digital environment. Unsubscribe from unnecessary notifications and limit your social media usage. Set up your prayer reminder apps or Quran recitation app to help keep you focused. Set a clear priority. Identify what matters most in this Ramadan and plan to cut back on distraction. Remember that your time is a valuable gift from Allah. The section 5 is the goal setting and reflection. Write down your Ramadan goals, whether you want to read the entire Quran, memorize certain surahs, or increase your charity efforts. Be specific about your goals. Create a vision board or journal. Document your journey, track your progress, and reflect on what you have learned from previous Ramadans to create a plan for Ramadan 2025. Reflect on past experiences. Consider what worked well in previous years and what you might want to improve. Use this insight to tailor your approach for this upcoming Ramadan. Section 6 is the community engagement and support. Connect with your community. Join local mosque groups or online community where you can share experiences, ask questions, and find mutual support. Find a Ramadan buddy, a partner, or a friend, or a family member to help each other stay accountable and motivated throughout the month of Ramadan. Volunteer and give back. Engage in charity work or community service. This is not only the benefit of those around you, but enriches your own Ramadan experience. So, in short, preparing for Ramadan 2025 means nurturing your spiritual, physical, and mental well being, organizing your home and family life, setting your clear goals, and engaging with your community. Start making these changes now so that when Ramadan finally arrives, you are fully ready to embrace it and every goodie that come with this Ramadan. So if you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved one, and subscribe for more beautiful tips on self-care, the Muslimah lifestyle, and staying connected to Allah. Let's also get ready for a transformative Ramadan 2025 together. May Almighty Allah grant us all the strength and wisdom to make the most of Ramadan 2025. On to my next video. Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye.
أحسب أن الدين بعيد عن حب وحياة